Maria Prude confirms she's officially divorced from Willis Raburu. Opening up on her marital status during a previous question and answer session with her fans on Instagram, Maria said her 3-year marriage is officially over. "Are you officially divorced?" posted a fan. "Yes, I am," she responded. Not too long ago, Maria took to her social media comments section to correct any of her fans who referred to her as Mrs. Raburu, requesting them to call her Miss. Word on the streets had it that the news anchor had an extramarital affair. The claims have, however, not been confirmed by either Willis or Maria. However, the lady accused of getting involved with the Willis came forward and denied the allegation, stating that she has never met him. Speaking during an interview with the radio presenter Willie Mtuva, Willis said he was to blame for the troubles his relationship faced as he exposed his private life to strangers. 1. I love and respect Maria. 2. I don't blame anybody who said anything bad or good because I am the one that exposed my relationship in the beginning. It's not good to ask, why are people talking about me so much? Yet I'm the one that put my business out there on social media for the world to see. I have chosen to be private. What I have picked from all the drama that surrounded my life is to be private. I also promised myself that the only time I will ever speak on what happened to my marriage in details is when Maria herself is present so that she can have a right of reply. Let's look at the transformation. Soon after their split, Maria embarked on a weight loss journey that has left her almost unrecognizable. Maria says moving out of her marital home and starting life on her own pushed her to change a few things about herself. So I got back to working out in February. I had a lot on my mind, so I decided to take a random morning run. When I started running daily after getting compliments from people who noticed the changes, I did that for a while until I started living alone. Living solo was another long process for me. It meant cooking for myself, yet I love cooking for people. And because of the things I was going through at the time, it got to a place I could not eat. I did not want to be around food, and I really shed a lot of weight until my parents noticed and asked me to go back home, she wrote. Thank you for watching, and kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel.